top design trends in 2022. If you didn't know these trends, you're not supposed to be a designer. Go and learn, just go and learn drop shipping or something. Go, I'm waiting. Go. Say I'm waiting, go. I'm just kidding, don't go. I'll tell you, I'm here to tell you. Just subscribe, I'm here to tell you. Number one, background blur. If you look at all the apps, like for example this one, you look at them, they use background blur for everything these days. Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, every site you see, every mobile app you see, they use background blur. Number two, smart animate. Like for instance, check out this WhatsApp animation. Yeah, exactly like that. Smart animation is needed. That's why I use Figma. Yeah, Figma is the best. Now, XD has bought Figma. Why the XD bought Figma? I did that on purpose, by the way. Don't think I do. I speak normal English. Yeah, I do. Peace.